Hello everyone, welcome to Life Mantras. Recently, I went on a road trip to Mumbai. I drove from Pune to Mumbai and back to Pune on same day, and I realized how easy it was to go and come back on same day. However, before few years, it was definitely not easy to come back on same day as most of the stretch passes through rough terrain of Sahyadri mountain range. The travel time has been drastically reduced due to the construction of Mumbai-Pune Expressway. While driving on E-way, I felt like I am driving in some other country. When you travel in monsoon, you can witness breathtaking waterfalls and green mountains all around. After reaching back to Pune, I wanted to know all the details about the expressway, and that's when I digged little bit and wanna share the details about the expressway with you all. The Mumbai-Pune Expressway is India's first 6-lane concrete high-speed access-controlled tolled expressway. It spans a distance of 94.5 km connecting Mumbai, the capital of Maharashtra state and the financial capital of India, with Pune, the cultural and educational capital of Maharashtra. The expressway, which was fully operationalized in 2002, introduced new level of speed and safety in automobile transportation to Indian roads. It is one of the India's busiest roads. The expressway starts at Kalamboli in Mumbai and ends at Kiule in Pune. It cleaves through the scenic Sahyadri mountain ranges through passes and tunnels. It has 5 interchanges. The expressway has 2 carriageways, each with 3 concrete lanes separated by central divider and tarmac of concrete shoulder on either side. Pedestrians, 2-wheelers, 3-wheelers, bullock carts and tractors are not permitted on expressway. Vehicles are also prohibited from halting on the expressway to avoid accidents and to keep up with the speed. As I said before, the expressway has reduced the time travel from Kalamboli in Mumbai to Kiule in Pune to about 2 hours. It has largely supplemented the Mumbai-Pune section of NH48, which is known as Old Mumbai-Pune Highway, which had become extremely congested and accident-prone. The government of Maharashtra appointed Wrights and Scott Wilson in 1990 to carry out feasibility studies for the new expressway to be operated on toll basis. They submitted their report in 1994 with the estimated cost of project at 11.46 billion rupees. The government of Maharashtra entrusted the work of the construction of the expressway to MSRDC in March 1997 on build, operate, transfer basis with permission to collect toll for 30 years. The Ministry of Environment and Forest, Government of India gave environmental clearance in 1997. The tender notice was published in leading newspapers all over India and also on the internet. Due to wide publicity, 133 tenders were sold and 55 tenders were received in December 1997. After technical and financial evaluation, work orders were given on 1st January 1998 to 4 contractors. The expressway has 6 illuminated and ventilated tunnels totaling 5,724 meters. These tunnels were built by the Konkan Railway Corporation Limited. On the expressway, both sides there are petrol pumps and food courts after certain intervals. So when we enter, there is a petrol pump. From there, if we come, this is like a big food court which has proper parking. All those are shops. Let's go towards that. Inside the food court, you will get most of the international food chain outlets along with some local food outlets as well, such as Starbucks, KFC, Pizza Hut, McDonald's, Subway, Maganlal Chikki, Bombay Chaat, etc. etc. When we come to Lonavala and owned by Maganlal Chikki, that's never possible. I too had some tasty meal and headed to buy chikki, as chikki is very famous in Lonavala. After meal and shopping of chikki, I started back towards Pune. The 6-lane project was completed under the stewardship of Maharashtra State Road Development Corporation (MSRDC). The expressway cost went up to 16.3 billion rupees to construct. The first section opened in year 2000 and the entire route was completed, opened to traffic and made fully operational in April 2002. The entire length of expressway has a single layer of wire fencing to keep out animals. MSRDC is planning to widen the expressway from current 6 lane to 8 lane. The proposal has been presented in Maharashtra Cabinet for approval. That's it for today, guys. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Please like the video and share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video, guys. Till then, keep smiling and enjoy your life.